Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pattern lock to pin lock password on phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to lock screen and click on screen lock type. Draw your current pattern for authentication. And here, if you would like to set pin, that is if you would like to change pattern to pin, click on pin here and type your pin. At least 6 digits is recommended. Remember this pin. If you forget it, you need to reset your your phone and all data will be erased. Okay, so remember it. So here I set my pin 1994. Click on continue. Again I type, again you go to type the same pin to verify. Click on OK. And if you would like to turn on remote unlock, use it, otherwise cancel. Now lock your screen and try to open your screen. It will ask your pin. That recent pin I set now 1994. Click on OK. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily change from pattern lock password to pin lock password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.